anything you see that is pink is does not respond to rewinding. Alright, so I put this on here, I go down on here to activate these two things, and then once the two things are activated, I put this over here, wait for that to go, and then I activate the other two in fast forward, or fast rewind, so that they get all activated at the same time. See? Easy peasy. So then we take this cube, and we put it on the barrier here so that we can bounce up here, because we need to be able to rewind to this position afterwards. So we come back down again, take this cube. This cube now can only go through these barriers one way because they're purple and the cube gets stuck. So now I'm up here, so the cube gets stuck on that barrier and it falls down here instead. So I put it in there, rewind back up there, so I'm back up here. This door opens because that gets activated. So now I run down here, and I will jump on this barrier thing to open up there, and that makes the bridge. So I can take this cube is pink, so it does not respond to rewinding, so it stays where it's put when I rewind things. So let me get on this dangerous thingy here, run here. Right, and this is the bit that I was like fucking up on. So this whole entire zone is like no. So send that over there, because I want this cube to activate this door at some point, and then I come over here, place it on here, send that over there, quickly stand on this thing, and then activate all three of them at the same time by rewinding. So then I'll take this in here, put this on the barrier. Now I'm going to go back for the blue cube. Now the question is, do I take this little bit of shortcut? No, I don't. I was like, should I take the little shortcut? Okay, so now take this. Oh, fuck. Alright. Now what's cool is that I've activated this elevator here, so I can just go through here and jump on here, bring this cube, and this is where it gets interesting. This is where it gets interesting indeed. Sorry, so now I've got this cube, activated this thing, pop this on here, take this bridge, get to the other side. Now I have the same situation as before with the three barriers, but I have to activate these in a certain kind of way. So I'm going to stand on here, because this is where I want to end up last. Then I go up here, stare at this button for a little bit, come down again, jump on this barrier, and then I'm going to start the 4-second timer that lets me do this. So now like, whoop, and then rewind again, and there we go, got it. Now here's the gauntlet. Here is the absolute gauntlet. So, run, don't get hit by the barriers. Oh, turn around. Now I've got to rewind time because these are going the wrong way. So I'm rewinding time, going through them backwards. All right, now there's some barriers down here, and I'm going to land on this one, and then I'm going to jump forward, and then I've got these discs that I have to go through. Oh my god, this is the best I've done. Okay, pause. Pause. Pause again, and 2, 1, got it! That's a run, that's a run! Woo! Is this gonna be it? Okay. God damn, I did not think I was gonna be able to do that. No! 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 2 seconds and 58 milliseconds! Oh my god!